Hi guys, today I'm going to share to you how to install Skype on Windows 10 using your computer. So the first thing that you will going to do is that you have to type Skype on your web browser. And after typing, you can see this. Skype, stay connected with free video calls worldwide. So what you will do, you have to click that one. After clicking, you can see this. Download Skype. Okay, so you have to click this one again. And then after clicking, you have to get Skype or click Get Skype for Windows 10 and 11. Then you can see this, Get Skype for Windows. So you have to click this one again. And then you can see this in the downloads is what you can see here. The Skype is or it is downloading. So what you will do is that you have to wait for a moment. Okay, then it has been downloaded already. So that means you can click the open file. So click open file. So after clicking this one, you can see this. Ready to install. Setup is now ready to begin installing Skype on your computer. So what you will do is that click install to continue with the installation. So you have to click this one for you to continue with the installation of the Skype on your computer. There, so it is already installing. So please wait while setup installs Skype on your computer. So you just have to wait for a minute. Okay, and after waiting for a minute, you can see this. So that means that the Skype has been installed on your computer already. So when I check my monitor here, so there, Skype has been installed. So congratulations.